are going to viral diseases in plants. Generally, viruses are being obligate intracellular parasites. By means they cannot multiply unless they invade a specific host cell and instructs its genetic makeup and metabolic machinery to its own and to own make, and then after to be produced several viral organisms that is called obligate intracellular parasites. Obligate intracellular parasites. Generally, all viruses being obligate intracellular parasites. These parasites cause many diseases in plants, animals, and also human beings. So, these cause of diseases while growing inside of them. So, plant diseases caused by several viruses. So, these cause of viruses to be appeared symptoms. These symptoms mainly appeared in the characteristics of leaf. So, generally, all viruses infected by plants, animals, and human beings. Especially, viruses are infected by plants. So, to be appeared symptoms, the whole plant. But generally, the infected of characters to be appeared upper surface of the leaf or lower surface of the leaf. Upper surface of the leaf or lower surface of the leaf. So the usual viral diseases of symptoms are here. First one chlorosis, second one here mosaic disease, third one here malformation, fourth one here vein clearing, fifth one here breaking of flowers. These are some plant viral diseases. So first one is here chlorosis. In generally, all plants of leaves are always appeared green in color. But especially peach plants. So the leaves due to loss of chlorophyll and then retain to be appeared yellow in color. So that is named chlorosis. This chlorosis to be appeared yellowing peach disease. Chlorosis means leaves due to the loss of chlorophyll. So chlorophyll to be is always appeared greenish in color. So hence due to the loss of green in color and again return of the yellowish in color, that is yellowing peach disease. That is chlorosis. Second one is here mosaic disease. This mosaic disease are clearly shown of tobacco leaves. This is a tobacco leaf. Generally, every plant of leaves are always appeared green in color. But here, the tobacco mosaic disease leaf to be appeared loss of chlorophyll or loss of greenish in color, to be having several isolated patches. These isolated patches are containing yellow and also brown and also blue in color. To be appeared different types of patches, different colors types of patches to be appeared in tobacco leaf. That is named tobacco mosaic disease. So generally, mosaic disease are clearly shown of tobacco leaf. Tobacco leaf is always green in color, but infected by some of the viral organisms such as tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic disease is caused by tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, here tobacco mosaic disease is caused by tobacco mosaic virus. This tobacco mosaic virus infected to be tobacco leaf. So in this to be upper surface of the leaf. That diseases are named as tobacco mosaic disease. By means, mosaic means due to the loss of green color and retain of the yellowish, brown and bluish in color. Yellowish, brown and bluish in color. These colors appear to be isolated patches. Isolated patches, that is tobacco mosaic disease. So here one tobacco mosaic disease leaf to be clearly shown up under view electron microscope. So this tobacco mosaic disease leaf to be appeared helical symmetry. This is a structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Already we were discussed about tobacco mosaic virus. So here this is a structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Generally all viruses consist of two basic components. First basic components are here core of nucleic acid. Second basic component are here protein coat. But generally tobacco mosaic virus containing RNA nucleic acid. This RNA nucleic acid is enclosed with the one protein coat that is named capsid. This capsid are having internally 2130 protein subunits. That is named capsomeres. These capsomeres of TMV mosaic virus, the molecular weight 39 into 10 to the power of 6 daltons. 39 into 10 to the power of 6 daltons. Okay, now these capsomeres are clearly shown of bunch of grape-like structures. By means each capsomeres to be appeared one grape-like structures. So several capsomeres are appeared bunch of grape-like structures. Internally, the capsomere containing single polypeptide chain. The single polypeptide chain possesses 158 amino acids. In generally, the nucleic acid containing spirally coiled RNA molecule. This spirally coiled RNA molecule are having 6500 nucleotides. This is the importance of tobacco mosaic disease or tobacco mosaic virus. Next one here, malformation are seen in cocoa plants. The diseases are named swollen shoot of cocoa. By means the plant growing is always developed to the abnormal parts. Abnormal parts are developed in the cocoa plant. That is swollen shoot of cocoa, especially stem pods and branches. Especially stem pods or branches is always appeared abnormal in size. That is named swollen shoot of cocoa. So malformation to be appeared swollen shoot of cocoa by means abnormal plant parts to be appeared cocoa plants. Next one here, vein clearing is one of the viral infected. So this disease are clearly shown in Bendy. The disease name are here Bendy vein clearing. So here in this vein clearing, so vein is always yellow in color. Remaining all parts are in here green in color. Why? Because one of the virus are infected by bendy veins. So in this time to be appeared yellowish in color. That is bendy vein clearing. Next one here, fifth one here, breaking of flowers. Are to be seen here tulip. The disease name are here tulip mosaic break. Generally tulip flowers are very beautiful flowers. So in those of time, some of the virus are infected by petal pods. These petal pods to be appeared darkness colors. That is tulip mosaic break. These are the some harmful viral plant diseases. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿರಿಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೈರಾಟ್ಸ್ Virions in this virions totally presenting nucleic acids. So without protein code, that is also virions. By means usually virions are infectious agents and causes of some diseases. So here the complete virions assembled to the virus. So these viruses are here virions. So these virions, smaller particles are poisonous particles are here virions. These virions are having two nucleic acids without protein codes, that is called virions. These virions are infected by several economically important plants such as cucumbers, tomato and citrus. So these virions are having to only nucleic acid. In this nucleic acid containing tiny nucleotide of 300 to 400 nucleotides. That is the importance of virions. Okay, now next coming to viral diseases in humans and animals. First we are going to humans. Several viral organisms are infected by plants, animals and human beings. Especially infected by human beings to be causing of some viral diseases, that is common cold, influenza, hepatitis, polio, herpes, smallpox and chickenpox. So these viral diseases are not harmful. So to be diseases enhance of the some treatments or some controlling. So however, but some of the viral diseases are here very very harmful. To be suddenly death of presently all worldwide, so many people are suffered one type of virus, that is named coronavirus. Nowadays worldwide so many people are suffered one type of virus, that is named coronavirus. So this coronavirus are mainly infected by human beings, especially human beings. Attack to the respiratory system, So as usual, some of the viral organisms are infected by human beings to be causing of polio and neonatal rubella. So these diseases is always decreasing of motility, and some of the viral organisms are here Polyema humuli and Encephalitis bar virus. These two viruses are infected by human beings and also animals to be causing of cancer. So some of the viruses are causing of the cancer, that is called oncoviruses. Another one here, chronic hepatitis B. Can lead to cancer. The causing of hepatitis B. Not only Polyema humuli and Encephalitis bar virus. These two viruses are also can causing of the cancer. And at the same time chronic hepatitis B, which can lead to cancer. So these viruses can causing of the cancer, that is named oncovirus. So these viral organisms are infected by human beings to be causing of some viral diseases are here. Next one here, some viral organisms are infected by animals. animals, not only viruses, not only viruses. So some of the proteinaceous infectious particles, some of the proteinaceous infectious particles or proteinaceous infectious agents are also to be causing of harmful diseases. So these agents are called prions. These agents are called prions. In these prions are having to protein code or not having to nucleic acid or not having to nucleic acid. Viroids are having to nucleic acid or not having to protein code. But prions are having to protein code or not having to nucleic acid or not having to nucleic acid. These prions to be causing of some animal diseases. So first one here. Okay, now mad cow disease. Mad cow disease. So this disease to be appeared cows. Next one here, scrappy disease. Scrappy disease is to be appeared in sheep. In sheep. So here prion to be so causing of mad cow disease. This mad cow diseasing of cow to be eating of man. Then after to be causing of one harmful human being disease, that is named Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease is caused by one type of prion, especially shown in human beings. Especially shown in human beings. This is a viral diseases in plants and viral diseases in humans and also animals. So this is a very dangerous harmful organisms. Microorganisms play a prime role in every field of human welfare. Those microorganisms are here: bacteria, viruses, protozoa, algae, fungi. But bacteria, protozoa, algae, fungi, these four groups are not harmful. Especially viral organisms, viral type of microorganisms is very harmful to be causing of human diseases, plant diseases and animal diseases. These diseases are here very seriously harmful, dangerous diseases. Nowadays, all over the worldwide, so many people are suffered to be one type of virus, such as named coronavirus. Okay, here.